Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert or save a Pages document as a Word file or a PDF. So oftentimes, those of us who are Mac users prominently have a document that we're working on in Pages, and we save it as a .pages file or a file that's native to the Mac. And what we really need to do is save it as a Word file or a PDF so anyone with a PC or whatever machine they're using can access and edit and view the document. So in order to do that, open up Pages, open up the document that you're wanting to save as a Word file or a PDF, and then in the upper left-hand corner, go to where you see File, and then you're going to see something instead of Save or Save As, you're going to want to click the Export To or hover over Export To, and then you have the different options here. You have PDF, Word, and then these here below, we're not really going to worry about that. So go and click on Word document. It's then going to ask you, are you sure you want to export your document as a Word file? It's going to give you a few advanced options, like here's the format, docx or doc. Now, if they're using an older version of Microsoft Word, maybe you need to save it as a doc, but the majority of the time, you just need to save it as a docx, which is what's automatically selected. You can then click the checkbox here if you want to require a password to open and edit the file. And then you see here in the center of the screen now, we can actually, once we're here at this little phase, we can then select PDF if we want it to export as a PDF. So basically, you can export to Word, PDF, and a couple of other file formats as well. So go ahead and go back to Word, go to Next. So here is where you give the document a name. Once you give the document a name, go ahead and choose where you want Pages to save the document. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop just to make it easy for you guys to see here. You can give it tags if you want to. If not, go ahead and click the blue export button. Once you've done that, it will then export this file, which is a Pages document, into something that is compatible with Microsoft Word. So if I go ahead and get information on this file here on my desktop, you can see under the name and extension that it is now a .docx. You can email this file out to a Windows or a PC user, and they can open this up on Microsoft Word. No questions, no problems at all. Same thing goes for PDF. You can just go here, go to File, go to Export To, go to PDF, and then here under PDF, make sure the image quality is set to best if that's what you want. You can then include comments, smart annotations, all of that stuff. Again, you can choose depending on the document that you're working with. Click Next. When you're ready to go, give it a name, click Export, and then it will export as a PDF. And then if you go here and I hover over this, you can see now this is a PDF that I can open with Adobe Acrobat or whatever PDF reader that I am using. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like and share the video, as well as subscribe to the channel if you want more great technology tutorials just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.